This is Heidi with WTI. And these Spectrum Noir metallic flip markers are just so fun and unique. They have a metallic look to them. And the most beautiful feature is that depending on the light and the surface, the color changes. Each marker shows the two colors, so I can see what colors I'll get when I use them. And it's a fine tip. So it's not only great for coloring, but also excellent for lettering, journaling. These markers are just so unexpected and fun to add to my projects. The Spectrum Noir metallic flip markers have been such a fun and unique addition to my craft room. I love to use them. I love the results I get, and that's my point of view.